Good morning students. Now we will see question number 5 of exercise 2.1, fifth word problem. So let us see the question. Question is find the perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE. As you can see in the figure, triangle is given, this triangle ABE, this is your triangle which is given to you, and rectangle is given BCDE, this is your rectangle. Now we will find perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle. Then they are telling whose perimeter is greater. After we get the answer of perimeters, we will compare that whose answer or whose perimeter is greater. So let us start. First we will find perimeter of this triangle ABE. So what is perimeter of triangles formula? We will have to add the sides. 3 sides we need to add because it is a simple triangle. So we need to add 3 sides. So first side is AB. So we will take AB plus second side is BE plus third side is AE. So we need to add this AB plus BE plus AE because we are finding perimeter. So we will put the value. What is AB? AB is 5 upon 2 plus this is 2 integer 3 by 4 plus third one is 3 integer 3 by 5. Now this will be same and this first we will convert. So 5 upon 2 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11, 8 and 3 9, 10, 11. So 11 upon 4 plus here 5 3s are 15 and 3. So 18 upon 5. Now we will take LCM. For adding these 3, first of all denominator should be same. So we will take LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So first we will take LCM. So our LCM will be LCM of 2, 4 and 5. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. Then this 1 as it is, 2 1s are and 5 as it is. Now 5 1s are 5 and this 1 1 as it is. So this we will multiply and that will be our LCM. So our LCM will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So 20 is our LCM. So here in the denominator it should be 20. So our first fraction is 5 upon 2. Leave some space. Second fraction is 11 upon 4 and third fraction is 18 upon 5. Now 2 how many I will give you 20. That we need to think. 2 how many are 20? 10s are. So here we will multiply by 10. 4 how many are 20? 5s are. So here we will multiply by 5. And 5 how many are 20? 4s are. So here we will multiply by 4. Now here 20 and 20 we are getting in the denominator. Now we can multiply. So 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50 plus 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are. 18 4s are will be 4 8s are 32. So 2 and 3. 4 1s are 4 and 3 7. So 72. If you don't know 18 4s are, you can multiply and check it. And 20 20 20. Denominators are same. So we will write 21 10. Now we will add these 3 50 55 and 72. So 50 55 72. This we will add. So 5 and 2 will be 7. 5 and 5 10 and 7 17. So 177 upon 20 centimeter. This is your perimeter of triangle. Okay, so perimeter of triangle is done. Now we will find perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle. For rectangle the formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So in this figure this is our length. So length is given, this is given, this and these are same. So this is length and this is breadth. So we have to take this both for this rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by length. What is our length? Our length is 2 integer 3 by 4 So 2 integer 3 by 4 plus breadth. What is our breadth? 7 upon 6 centimeter. 7 upon 6 centimeter. Again we need to convert first. So 4 2s are 8 and 3. So 9, 10, 11. So 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Both are in centimeters. So this was centimeter. Now again for adding this both, first we need to take out LCM. Always first step we will solve the bracket. So we need to take out LCM. So what was our parameter? It is 2 multiplied by 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. 4 and 6 we will take out LCM of 4 and 6. So 2 2s are and 2 3s are. Then 2 1s are and 3 as it is. Now 3 1s are and this as it is. Now we will multiply this. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So our LCM is 12. So here 12 should be there. So 2 multiplied by 11 upon 4, leave some space, we will multiply this. 7 upon 6, leave some space. So 4, how many is that? 12? Our LCM is 12. So here we have to bring 12. So 4, how many is that? 12? 3 is that. So here we will multiply by 3. 6, how many is that? 12? 2 is that. So here we will multiply by 2. So 2 multiplied by, it will be 11 3 is that. 33 plus 7 2s are 14 and whole upon 12. Denominators are same, 12 and 12. So we can write like this. Now this we have to solve. So moving ahead, 33 plus 14. What you will get? 2 multiplied by 33 plus 14 will be, you can add like this. 3 plus 4 will be 7 and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 47 upon 12. This we will get. Now this 2 and 12 can be cancelled. So we will do cancellation. 2 1s are and 2 6 are. So 47 upon 6. What we are getting? 47 upon 6. This is our perimeter of rectangle. What was our perimeter of triangle? It was 177 upon 20. Now out of these both, who is greater? That we need to find out, that which one is greater. Now we got perimeter of triangle 177 upon 20 and perimeter of rectangle 47 upon 6. So this is our answer of perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle. Now for finding out whose perimeter is greater, we need to again compare this both. Okay, so first of all, here it is 177 upon 20 and here it is 47 upon 6. Now we need to compare that whose perimeter is greater. So first of all, we again have to take out LCM and make the denominators same. So we have to take out LCM of 20 and 6. So वापस LCM निकालना पड़ेगा to check that who is greater. So 20 and 6 we will take out again LCM. So 20 and 6 both are coming in the table of 2. So 2 10s are and 2 3s are. Again 2 5s are and 3 as it is. Now 3 1s are and this 5 as it is. And 5 1s are and this as it is. So now we need to multiply this. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 16. This we will multiply. So our LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So 60 is our LCM. So here we have to bring out 60 and here also we have to bring out 60. So our first fraction is 177 upon 20. Now 20, how many will give you 60? That you need to think. So 177 upon 20 is already there. So what you will multiply so that it will become 60, because our LCM is 60. So 20 3s is 60. So here we will multiply by 3. So after you multiply by 3, what you will get? 3 7s are 21. So 1 and here carry up 2. Again 3 7s are 21, or you can multiply here like this on the side. So 3 7s are 21. Again 3 7s are 21 and 2. So 23. So 3 carry up 2 and 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So it is 531. 531 upon 60. So this we are getting after multiplication. Okay. Now next fraction is 47 upon 6. 47 upon 6. Here also we want 60 because LCM is 60. So 47 upon 6. What you will multiply so that it will become 60. So we know that 6 tens is 60. So we need to multiply by 10. So we have to take here 10 and here also 10. So 47 tens is 470 upon 60. Now our denominators are same. So we can compare, we can see the numerators. Okay, so our first fraction is 531 upon 60 and second fraction is 470 upon 60. Now, who is greater out of these two? 531 is greater. Okay, so this fraction is greater than this fraction. So 531 upon 60 is greater than this. Now 531 upon 60, this answer. This is the answer of what? It is the answer of this. Perimeter of triangle 177 upon 20, right? 177 upon 20 was the answer of perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. So here you will write perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. So this way you can write your final statement that perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of